how to add your current city on your Facebook. Hello everyone, I will show you how to do this on your Facebook. So let's do it. So first just open your Facebook and come right now direct to your profile right here, and after this click on edit profile. So then just you need to come and scroll down until you found it all. Click here on edit, and right now guys you will find here current city. For example, I upload New York. Click here on edit. For example, I will add a new city. I don't know, maybe Paris. Yeah, Paris, Russia, not Paris. And click save, and that's all. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.